Hello there, little one. Welcome to the world. Just a few hours ago, you took your first breath. Your eyes, still deep and cloudy, are opening to a universe of shapes and shadows. And this safe, warm presence holding you so tightly, this is your first lesson. This is love. This is your mother. Her name is Rose. And Rose, she hasn't let you go since the moment you arrived. Her arms are your cradle. Her fur is your blanket. Her heartbeat is the first rhythm you learned. For her, the entire world has shrunk down to the size of your tiny body. Her only job, her only purpose, is to protect you. Look at you, Dot, so new, so fragile. Your little hands, they have such a strong grip, instinctively holding on to Rose's fur. That's your first survival skill, little one. Never let go. And Rose, she is constantly grooming you, her fingers moving through your fine hair. It's not just about keeping you clean. It's her way of checking you, of soothing you, of saying, you are mine and you are safe. But already we can see it. A spark, a flicker of curiosity in those dark eyes. The world is a soft, fuzzy blur, but it's also a symphony of sounds. You hear the chatter of the troop, the rustle of the wind, the call of a distant bird. And you are listening. You are so still, just taking it all in. You don't know it yet, but that curiosity, that is your second most important instinct. There it is, Dot the Wiggle. The first attempt to see beyond the safety of your mother's chest. Your head is so wobbly, like it's too heavy for your tiny neck. But you try. You push up for just a second and get a new perspective. The world isn't just fur. There are bright green leaves up there. Rose feels your movement and instantly adjusts. She loosens her grip just a fraction, just enough to let you explore. But her hands are always there, a safety net ready to catch you. She is the balance between your daring and your safety. She is letting you learn that the world is interesting, but also that she is your anchor. And now, the first reach. tiny hand stretching out from the safety of Rose's embrace towards a leaf dangling just within sight. What is it? Is it food? Is it a toy? Your entire world for this moment is that single green leaf. But Rose knows something you don't. Not every leaf is safe. Some can be sharp, some can taste bitter, some might have tiny insects on them that could irritate your sensitive skin. So she sees your reach, and with infinite patience, she gently pulls your hand back. She nuzzles you, as if to say, "Not that one, my love." And then, look, she carefully plucks a different, more tender shoot and brings it to your nose. This is your second lesson. What is food? She is your first and most important teacher. The excitement of your first day is starting to weigh heavily on you, little one. Your blinks are getting longer, your movements slower. That fierce curiosity is finally being challenged by an even more basic need: sleep. And Rose, she feels your body growing heavy. She knows the day's lessons are over. It's time for rest. She moves carefully, deliberately to a sunny spot, high and safe. She positions herself, creating a perfect little nest with her body where you can sleep without fear. She tucks you in close, her body a fortress against the world. As your eyes finally close, you are still holding on to her fur. Your first lesson, and your last, is the same. You are safe. You are loved. So ends the first day of a great adventure. For little baby, a lifetime of discovery has just begun. Every leaf, every sound, every branch will be a new mystery to solve. And for Rose, her greatest adventure is the one she holds in her arms. Her love is the first home he will ever know, the shield that will allow his curiosity to flourish. Their journey together is just beginning, and we are so lucky to have witnessed this first precious chapter.